Hey everyone, this is Sonia from NGPF. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a copy of a Google Doc on the NGPF website. So right here I have a lesson guide open from our website here, and you'll notice that it's in view only mode. That means that while you can see everything that is on the Google Doc, you can't customize it, you can't change anything on it, which is totally fine if you are okay with how the resource is. However, if it's an activity or a project and you want to customize it for your students, you're going to have to make a copy. So step number one is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Google account here, and that's because then you have access to your Google Drive. Once you're logged in, you're going to open up the resource that you want to customize, and you're going to go to File, Make a Copy, and a pop-up window will open up here, which you can use to basically rename the document whatever you like. So I'm going to just call it for now Sonia's copy of Lesson Guide 4.2. And then you can select which folder in your drive you want it to go into. So I'm just going to put it in my drive, press OK, and it'll open up a new tab that is now your copy. So you'll see here that it has my new title, and I can actually customize and edit this document whichever way I like. So I can change the title here, I can put Sonia's lesson guide, etc. So you can modify this version. And from here, after you're done customizing, it's free to send to your students. You can print it out, you can use Google Classroom, however way you want. One thing to note is that if you're using this resource and you made a copy of it, and let's say it's been 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, however long since you've last used it, you do want to come back to the NGPF website, open up that resource again, and check the last updated footer here. This date here. This basically tells you when we last updated this document on our end. This is like our textbook version, and it could have been a broken link that we fixed, or maybe there were some substantial changes that we made. So definitely check out this last updated footer. Anytime you are using a resource after a significant amount of time. If we have made changes, go ahead and just make another copy of the document, and then you can again customize things to how you want and use it in your classroom. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.